Well, I was really pleased with the way that it went. I thought we had some really high quality presenters and panelists that could provide real insight into what I think is a very exciting area. And I think one of the key things that emerged is that we are on the most fantastically exciting journey into uncharted territory. Someone was saying that there hasn't been a change as big as this for newspapers in over 200 years. And I think that as newspapers are becoming news brands operating across all media, tablets represent a fantastic opportunity. We're already seeing the way it's changed consumer behavior. You only have to talk to your friends or look at your own behavior to see that people are just now consuming news and information differently. And I think what this event today did was shed real light on where that's likely to go and what it means. I mean, the issue is that we don't have all the answers yet, and different people are trying different things. But what's exciting is that we know that things are going to change, and we know that this is a really big opportunity.